Imagine this, the AI accounting market is projected to hit $10.87 billion by 2026, growing at an incredible 44.6% CAGR in the SME sector. Now, that's not just growth, that's a massive shift. And the real question is, why is this happening right now? Let's talk about the real problem, the broken economics of manual bookkeeping. Traditionally, businesses are stuck in what I call a friction triangle. You can choose speed, accuracy, or low cost, but never all three. If you want fast work, accuracy drops. If you want accuracy, it becomes expensive. And if you want low cost, you sacrifice both. But here's where AI changes everything. With AI, we move into a fluid loop where speed, accuracy, and low cost exist together, no compromises. Accounting hasn't always looked like this. We've moved from legacy systems to cloud tools to bolt on AI, but now we are entering the era of ambient AI, where AI is not an add on, it's built into the core of how accounting works. From data entry to reporting to decision making, everything evolves. So, what exactly is ambient accounting? It's AI that works quietly in the background but powerfully. It listens and acts, it executes tasks invisibly, and it's always thinking ahead. No constant inputs, no manual triggers, just seamless automation inside your workflow. This is where HelloBooks comes in, the engine behind this new accounting economy. It saves 20 plus hours every month, connects with over 2,900 plus US banks and cards, and delivers 95% OCR accuracy with automated categorization, real time bank feeds, AI payables, and compliance ready reports, all built natively for small and medium businesses. Let's look at the real difference. A traditional process takes around 15 minutes per account. With ambient AI, less than 2 seconds. From paper to ledger instantly, capture, categorize, match with bank feeds and generate reports like P&L in real time. And it doesn't stop there. HelloBooks syncs effortlessly with your entire ecosystem from QuickBooks to PayPal, Zoho Books, Odoo, and more. It keeps everything in perfect sync while eliminating hours of manual data entry. And the best part, enterprise grade automation at SMB pricing. You can start for free and scale as your business grows. With advanced features like AI categorization, multi client dashboards, inventory matching, and secure infrastructure built for reliability. But the real impact is human. Small business owners are saving 25 plus hours every month. Accountants are finishing full day tasks before their month coffee gets cold. This isn't automation, it's freedom. So, let me ask you, is your accounting still manual? Join 2000 plus businesses already saving 200 plus hours every month. Start free today, no credit card required, and subscribe to see how HelloBooks.ai can automate up to 95% of your bookkeeping. Thank you.